In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to permanently delete your Upwork account. So let's get started. So first of all, right, when you're on the Upwork page, you'll have to go over to your profile icon and click on it. Then you'll have to go over to settings. Once you're in your settings, it may ask you to enter your password and it may ask you security questions. So you have to make sure you type those in. And once you have typed those in, you'll be redirected to a page settings right there. As you guys can see, settings. In the settings, you'll have to redirect to the user settings page. And here, you'll have to redirect to the contact info. So once you're in the contact info page, you'll see an option of close my account. But remember, once you close my account, your account is permanently deleted and you can't use the same email to make a new account. And also remember, you won't be able to close your account unless you have cancelled all your previous contracts on Upwork with other clients. So those are the requirements that you need to do before you close your account. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.